Okay everybody, I wanted to update you on my automatic chicken door opener and closer. This is set up on a timer. There's the door there. I'll take you around my coop here to the side, which is outside of the chicken run, which is a huge blessing. You don't have to go in and out. There's my timer. I'll just give you a brief overview. And there is the motor, an RC car motor, and the door. I have a switch on the top and a switch on the bottom that stops the motor from running, and I have two relays inside this box. That's basically all it is. And so here's the timer. I have it set on station A and station B. Station A opens the door, station B closes the door. I'll just do a manual override here. We want to go to station B, and then enter. I'll come around here, and there it closes. And then in the morning, I'll reset that back. In the morning, whenever I want, the door open, and I don't have to think about it. I do have to update the time about 4 times a year as the season gets lighter or darker, but it's a lot better than some of the other options. And there you have it, a chicken door update. Oh, this is using a WaterMaster 6-station timer.